Ayaw kong atino ba dito. Ito. Ito sa bowl. Ay, bulbul.
This video is definitely a must-watch.
Let's go, school.
From jumping through pits
School siya.
Sige na ka, imo binang itel kung unsa na siya. Sige na.
Ako ni... Ako ni...
Draw pa gani, wala pa gani ka na human.
decades ago, yet still powerful and resilient, serving as a living testament to the endurance of time and technology.
Nasi siyang-siyang.
Guwapa lagi na siyang.
Nasi...
Unsa man na imo na si siyang imong?
Akong best friend. Katong, bibi pa si siyang-siyang bari. Bibi pa siya kanina. Nag-school na siya dayon.
The timber harvesting process in the forest becomes truly
Siyang-siyang.
special excavator.
Ay, nimta na Mara.
Extremely convenient wood handling.
That's my best friend na para.
Hunting its prey in the wild. Large logs are neatly stacked, creating a spectacle of power and precision. This invention completely changes the way wood is loaded and unloaded, bringing unprecedented efficiency and accuracy.
Ay, dapat si Pico si Mara. Mara dahil sa Pikas. Ay, si Mara na sa Pikas. And there we go.
Whoever came up with that grapple was truly brilliant, providing outstanding efficiency and removing stubborn trees.
Pagagunit siya sa kong mama. Sige, ikaw man si mama. Then, finish.
Oh, you describe your